Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS NQT 10th June today's interview experience. Okay, we have two interview experience that is related to 10th June and 9th June. Okay, we got the another experience of 9th June TCS digital actual interview question. Let's start the video. Guys, like and share the video. We are putting lot of efforts for all of you and this is the free preparation playlist. Okay, you will find the 9th June candidate interview experience. Okay, as well as you can book the mock interview slot on TopMate, so you will you can give your live mock interview with our interview specialist. Okay, so just to see that we got the update that is related to 10th June interview experience. Profile is TCS Digital, branch is Computer Science, Maharashtra, Mumbai is the location. Interview duration is 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so one of the most important point, the interview duration. Okay, and the interview duration, the questions, okay, and the difficulty level of interview is depends according to your introduction, your technical skill sets. Okay, and it will depends on interview panel as well. Okay guys, so this is all about the important update. First of all, they will verify your documents and all. After that you have to wait for your turn. Okay sir, interview experience was good. First of all, my interview duration was 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, I already said like it will depends on many factor. Okay, technical round question. So TR asked me about introduction. Okay, introduction, explain your project. Suppose the candidate mentioned the project in the introduction, so the next questions come from that, explain your project. So in my resume all ML project was there, so I started explaining that. After that he asked me, so just to see that whatever you mention in your introduction or tell me about yourself, the next question will be related to that. Okay guys, so just to see that. After that he asked me what is ML, what is AI, difference between ML and AI. Okay, candidate mentioned he completed many projects on machine learning. So the next question will be related to that. What is ML, AI, difference between AI and ML. Okay, real life example of ML, how ML model is trained, then how we can compare it with database. Just to see that all the questions are very similar to one thing that is related to your project. So they are asking the deep concepts as well. Okay, like suppose they ask this, how ML model is trained, then how we can compare it with database. So they are checking you have knowledge that is related to machine learning or not. Okay, you have particular knowledge of your project or not. Question about all my project mentioned in my resume. Just to see that. Technical round. Okay, technical round completely related to project, candidate project, because the project is related to AI ML and all the questions is related to project. One question from object oriented programming. What is object oriented programming? As I already said, prepare at least object oriented programming pillars, DBMS concept, computer networking, okay, operating system concept. Okay, so it will good for you. Okay, because these are the technical subject and if you are giving the interview for digital role, you have to at least know about some of the technical subjects. Okay, so it will good. There are so many websites like Java T Point where you will find lot of variety of questions that is related to top interview question of object oriented programming, DBMS, computer network and operating system. Then one question, what is EC2? Just to see that. Okay, the next questions is related to that. Then one important point, then MR does not ask anything. Why this situation come? Because TR ask the project. Okay, and candidate explain the project very well. Okay, he mentioned all the important points that is related to project. He mentioned all the important concept. So they are checking your confidence. Okay, and confidence is the key for cracking any interview. They are checking your confidence, whether you are confident while giving your answers or not. Okay, so one most important point, again I am saying, be confident throughout the interview. And MR mostly ask the questions related to situation. Okay, in the MR round situation based questions will be there. puzzles related questions will be there. So I suggest you to prepare that. Okay. Then the HR question. HR asks, are you ready for reallocation? Rate yourself. Okay. Is your first interview? Hobbies in it. My interview lasts for 10 to 12 minutes. So just to see that it is related to digital opportunity. Branch is also technical. Okay. Branch is also CSE, computer science engineering. But think that whole technical interview will be in the project, on the project. Like candidate mentioned, they have knowledge on AI ML project. So the questions related to project. Okay. And they ask some of the questions that is related to like one question is from object oriented programming concept. MR does not ask anything. HR questions. Okay. So guys, I suggest you to be ready for your interview. Be prepared for that. Like you have to prepare at least your resume. Okay. Technical skill set in which you are proficient. Suppose in the intro you mention I am proficient in the Python language. So most probably next questions will be related to that. So mention only those things in resume in which you are confident. Okay. And one of the most important point, like resume, technical skill set, project, certifications or internship you can also mention. Okay. No need to mention many things or other things in which you are not confident in resume. Okay. Let's discuss about the 9th June interview experience. One candidate already also shared the experience today. The role is TCS Digital CSE. Interview duration is 30 to 35 minutes. Guys, if you are from if your interview is in the coming days like 11th June, okay, tomorrow, 12th June or any of the other date, I suggest you to please share your experience in the comment section. Definitely it will very helpful for everyone, guys. Then ask me many questions. Why HTML is markup language? What difference between HTML and PHP? How Apache system work? Difference between truncate and delete? What is JSP servlet? Just see that. Okay. In the intro, candidate mentioned they have knowledge of front end. Okay. They have knowledge of HTML and PHP. So most questions are asked from that. And they are also checking the deep concepts. Just like that, how's Apache system work. Okay. Next is full form of PHP, type of CSS, HTML, CSS is questions related to that. Which type of CSS has loss waste priority? Also give me query on delete and truncate and types of error. Just see that they are asking the SQL related question and the query related question. So be prepared for that. If you already mention in your resume, I have knowledge of SQL and DBMS, most probably they will ask questions related to query. Okay. And MR question will be only related to MR question will be same as like HR. Okay. Are you willing to reallocate? Okay. HR question, what is your weakness? How do you describe yourself in single word? That is the most asked question in the interviews. Okay, so be prepared for that. Many of question ask me, my interview goes medium. So we can expect that the level of interview is medium. Okay, they not ask me any question about project, object oriented programming, DSA. I prepared very well on those topics. Also, I mentioned my project in my introduction, my intro only very well. So just to see that what candidate mentioned, he mentioned this important topics in the intro part. Okay. So most questions are from that. Okay. So this is the yesterday interview experience and today's interview experience is here. So guys, again I am saying be prepare your resume, projects, internship or certifications. Okay, internship, certification, anything. And in the intro, tell me about yourself, introduction. Mention only those points, those technical skill sets or those projects in which you are confident. Okay, so most probably your interview will be related to that. Okay, I hope this video is useful for everyone. Wish you best wishes for your upcoming interviews. Like if your interview is completed, if your interview is scheduled tomorrow, please share your experience in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.